Okay, for our next video, I want to relate the formula of a circle to the formula for an ellipse, because they really are related. And if you're able to understand that they're related and make that connection, your brain will be better able to recall the information from today. So here's the formula we learned last time for a circle. If we take both sides of this equation and divide by r squared, we now have, sorry, I need to adjust this a little bit to make it easier for me to write on. Maybe isn't as easy for you guys to see though. Okay, we then have the formula x squared over r squared plus y squared over r squared equals 1, which looks a lot like our ellipse formula. It's just instead of having a squared and b squared, we have r squared, because for a circle, the vertical distance, actually this would be the horizontal, right, because x is the horizontal direction, the horizontal distance from the center and the vertical distance from the center will be identical. It's these two numbers being different that makes it an ellipse. For a circle, they are the same, and therefore that is the radius squared. I don't know if that makes sense. For example, let's just do a quick little problem. We'll have x squared plus y squared equals 25. So then if we take both sides and divide by 25, we would have x squared over 25 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. Since the square root of 25 is 5, that means the distance, of course the center is at 0, 0 because there's no hk value involved, the distance from the left and the right of the center would be 5, or because it's the square root of 25, so there's one vertex. Although since it's a circle, really technically it doesn't have a vertex. And then the distance vertically would also be 5, because this is also 25, which the square root of that is 5. And so even though we would use the same method we used to graph an ellipse, we get a circle instead. So let's look at an ellipse instead. Here's an example.